show you how to build a website in minutes. First, let's get our bearings in this control panel. We have our main navigation here on the left side. We have our website name and a link to view our site. We can manage our account here and see our account status. We can log out, and we can also send a quick message for support. Now down here on the bottom row, this is where we save and publish our changes. We can add pages here or cancel what we've done. We can also view our site and take a tour. Now this footer bar and this header bar and the site navigation will appear on every page within your control panel as you use this website builder. Another important feature are the tips and video buttons, which are available for almost every single feature, and we highly recommend that you view them to see how to use each feature in further detail. Now we've started on our web pages screen, and as you can see, we've started you out with a couple of web pages. Now you can move these pages just by dragging and dropping, and then clicking the save button. And as I showed before, you can add a page, and you can add a page right underneath a given page right here. So let's do that. Here you select what type of page you would like to create from all of the available options, and then you name your page. You determine whether it's private or public, and we can add some heading text here, which will appear just above our content, and this is where we add our page content. And we can add an image right here. We can highlight text and make a link right here, and do a bunch of other things as well. And as we scroll down, we can see we also have search engine optimization options, and we can add scripts to this page as well. But let's go ahead and save in order to create the page. Now we can take a look at this page on our live website by clicking View Page. And as you can see, here's our heading text and our page content. Now if we want to edit these large images, we have a few options. We can edit the default header, which appears site-wide, or we can make a new header specifically for this page by clicking here. And as you can see, we have a few options. We can have no content, which will display nothing. We can display a single image. We can display an animated image transition or a flash file. In this example, we'll just go ahead and edit the default header. And as you can see, for the default header, we're confronted with the same options. We'll go ahead and add an image to this transition by clicking Add Files and Upload. Now because the height of our image does not match 329 pixels and instead is 720, we'll go ahead and resize it so that it fits nicely on our page. And we can drag and drop images to reorder them and change more advanced settings here. Now that we've created a page, let's go ahead and add a logo and slogan text. We'll go to header and footer, and under logo text, we can type. And we have a few options here. We can change the font, we can change the font size, and we can change the color. And we can do the same things for the slogan. If we'd prefer to upload a logo instead, we can do so right here. And click Upload. And if we scroll down, we can adjust our other header content and our footer content. Next, we can customize our site address by clicking Site Address. And our default address is this address that we use during signup. And we can also customize our site address by submitting a domain name here. If you want to change your design at any time, just go to Designs, and in the Shared Layout section, just find the design that you'd like to activate. And we can see our active layout right here. And we can edit this design by clicking on the pencil icon right here. And that's it. If you need support at any time, just go ahead and use one of the support resources here in the navigation. Now it's time to finish your website. You're just a few clicks away from impressing the world.